So, while doing the turning, I had a little catch, and that catch actually made everything shift on the tailstock end, so my centering for the rounding didn't turn out right, and as a result I'm not getting the 3 3/4 I need. It's actually becoming a little less. I've actually been playing with it and trying it multiple times off camera, no luck. So as a result, I have the problem of now I'm out of material because I can't get that to work proper. Yeah, I do have material enough to do wheels, the smokestack, the pistons, and the steam dome, but I need to figure out how to do the boiler altogether. I do have some camphor that I've been drying for about 2 years. The downside is it would not match color. As you can see, we have a lighter color. But I may just do it initially, and that itself is going to be curiosity because it was never dried properly. So, yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun. But I'm going to give it a try. In the meantime, this is how it's looking, so stay tuned, and hopefully I will see you next time right here on the Beggars Woodshop.